Hello. Okay, here we go. Yeah, so we are opening Corel X7. Corel X7. So either you call it Corel 17 or Corel X7. So in my previous video, you'll see how to download this cracked and software, the website where you download it without payment. So be sure you check the video in case you don't have the software Corel X7, so that you check it out. And so here we are. You see, immediately it is open. You see get started, workspace, wireframe, new, and all that. Okay, so and then we'll check out workspace to see. Here is light, classic, default, advanced, and what have you. So when you see you check out classic, it's like the environment Corel X6 gives you. So they look alike. And then when you say default, default has to do with X7 workspace, like the default how it is. So it depends on what you want. If you want to use classic, if you would want to use light, if you would want to use default, advanced. Oh, it's just, see, one thing about these things is when you check them out, what works for you. It's like an adventure. You go through them. Okay, here, new, we click new, and then we check out how it looks like. You can see where it's written, title, name, okay, and all the rest of that. So in that name, you are the one to choose the title of your project, the type of the project you're doing. Okay, so when you check it out, you type it. Assuming you design a logo, you can just type my logo design or the name of the brand you're working for. So all these things are very, very important, like they matter. Okay, so going further, you look at where the place it says destination, or are you going to web and all that, or custom if you want to work to remain here in Corel, all that. And the next thing is size. If it's A4, A5, A6, any paper size you want to use to do your work, the project you're working on, all those things determines is it A2. Sizes matters a lot. Whatever thing you're designing for somebody, the size matters. When you miss the size, you miss the work. Now when you get the size, there are some, when you're doing your work inside that size, there are some boxes, rectangles, circles, and whatever that you're going to be doing. So it's important you choose how you'll be measuring it, if it is in meters, in inches, in feet, and all that. Those things really matters, pixels and that. So you see weight, you see height, but there are some work you need to do with feet. There's some work you need to do using meters. It depends. And there are some you use with pixels. So all those things, even inches, it's what you want or what you think is best for you. For example, when you're designing a flex, you're designing a flex banner. I know you know what that means. You design them or design it using feet. So you measure with feet. Okay, because while printing it, they'll ask you what you want the size to be in feet. Okay, here we go, and these are the ones are color, primary color mode. If it is CYMK, if it is RGB. When you see CYMYK, it means cyan, magenta, yellow, and black. Okay, the color you want to use your work. And the next is resolution. Like you see some things on social media, or anywhere, some pictures. Maybe there's some pictures for work that is trending, or maybe someone did a flyer for your organization and posted it, and you loaded it, and you wanted to use it for your own post. Resolution have reduced. So whatever thing you're posting online, we increase the resolution, because people might try downloading, and before you know it, because that one you download, another person might see it and try to download it. So it keeps decreasing the resolution. I mean the sharpness of the work. That is why sometimes you see some work that is blur. It's not all that clear. You get for you to see. It's not all that clear for you to see. It's blur somehow. Okay, so that is that, and then we will go over to the next. Resolution is very important. Your work is neat based on the resolution you exported it to. If it's social media something, even if it is something you're going to print out, the resolution matters. So 300 is normal. Okay, so here is talking about preview mode, enhanced, normal, overview, draft, and wireframe. How you want it to be. You know what wireframe is. If you want to be designer and it looks like a sketch, it's up to you. So color settings. Okay, so in fact these things we are just going through for you to go through and then master the environment. Okay, so having done that, you click new and we are here. This is how the canvas looks like. The Corel Draw environment, correct? 7. That is how it looks like. So we want to walk you through. The first line you see where you see untitled. Remember, we did not give our project a title. That's why you see untitled 1. You can call it title bar. Okay, so we have a lot of bars in Corel Draw. And when we talk about bars, we talk about some places where tools are that you can rightly choose them and use them. So for whatever thing you're doing, so we have title bar, and then we have menu bar. That is the next one after that title, and then status bar is just down, the last on the down. So I'm going to show you that. So in this menu bar, you see open, you see all that, and okay, now the next one is standard bar. So standard bar is the next after menu bar. Okay, so and that is where you get to see whatever thing you want for that particular so then after talking about menu standard, the next is property bar. I told you that status bar is at the bottom. You can see where my mouse pointer is. Good. That is status bar. So when you get to be designing, you will know more about the work of this status bar. Okay, good. So when we click on that property bar, you see that the property top there have dismissed. It's no longer there. So that is to show you its property bar. So I'm clicking it back again. You see property bar that shows you for the measurements, and all that. Okay, so and see that title bar is coming back again. It was at the top extreme and now it's here again. So assuming I gave my project a name, you will see it appear after welcome screen. Okay, good. Now test 2, I clicked it and it disappeared at my left, then it's back again. You see test 2, either you call test 2, test box, all that. So here in the center is called our canvas, and remember we did not choose any paper, it was on A5 and we just said enter, we didn't choose anything. So that center of paper you're seeing the canvas is A5. So when you want to do your work, it is going to be in A5 except you want to change it. So that is that for the this tutorial that teaches us the environment of Corel X7. So in the next video we are going to know how to use it. Do not go away, stay tuned.